Morning students, how are you? Student, today we are going to start question number 6 of exercise 4.3. So first of all, read the statement what we have given in this. You take out your graph notebook also. Here the statement is, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as phi unit. Also read from the graph. So here we have given the work done is directly proportional to the force, right? So we will take here two things. Let work done. Let work done is equal to x unit. Let distance is equal to what? It is y unit. So what relation we have given here? Work done is directly proportional to the distance. So according to question, we know that work done is directly proportional to the distance, and for the directly proportional we will use F. If we remove the symbol of directly proportional, here we have given the force, and what force we are having? It is phi unit. So here we can write this work done can be written as that is equal to the force into distance. So just distance or displacement. Now just put the values here. Here work done we have taken, that is x unit, and force we have given, it is phi unit, and distance we are having, it is y. So if we have to convert it into standard form, then this can be written as x minus phi y is equal to 0. This is the standard equation. And for the graph we will take this. Now for graph we will take the equation as x is equal to phi. Now in this equation we will put the value of y and we will get the corresponding values of x. So you write here first work done, that is represented along x-axis, and here distance, that is shown along y-axis. So here you have to take 3 points. Suppose if you are taking distance as 1 kilometer, then corresponding work done will be what? It will be 5. If you take distance as 2 unit, then 2 5s are 10, then corresponding work done will be 10. And same way, if you take distance as 3 unit, then corresponding work done 3 5s are 50. Now you have to represent these points on the graph. For that, take two perpendicular or coordinate axes, one vertical, another horizontal. This horizontal line is known as what? It is x-axis, and this vertical line is known as y-axis, and their point of intersection is known as origin. So along x-axis you show these points. Suppose this first one box shows 5, 10, 15, 20 like this, and here you can show number 1, 2, 3, 4. So you give number as 5, 10, 15, 20. Here you take numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Along x-axis you are showing what? Work done. You are mentioning it also. And here you are showing what? Distance. So along y-axis you are showing distance. Now first point you have to plot, that is 5, 1. So corresponding to 5 you are getting 1, so you will get this point here. Second, 10 corresponding to this 2. So along 10 you will take 2. So we will get this number here, this point here. This is the second point. Then corresponding to 15 we get 3. So corresponding to 15 we have to take 3. So this point, suppose this point. So this is A, B, C. And now we have to join all these 3 points with the help of scale. and we get the straight line like this. So you name them also. This point A is what? 5, 1. B is what? 10, 2. C is what? 15, 3. Here we have to mention the scale, and scale will be what? Along x-axis we write. On x-axis, what it is? Here 10 small division representing what? 5 unit. That is equal to 5 unit. And on y-axis, here 10 small division is equal to 1 unit. So this is the complete solution of this question. Now from this graph we have to give the answer of further 2 questions. If distance is 2 unit, here we can take this point. If distance is 2 unit, then we have to read from the graph and give the answer corresponding. So if distance is 2 unit, then corresponding work done will be what? It will be 10. Same way, if distance is 0 unit, then corresponding work done will be 0. So here we can give the answer. First part, it is, we have to find the, also read the graph work done when the, it is what? 10 unit. And answer of second one will be what? It is 0 unit. So this is question number 6 and this is our answer. So this is for the day. Thank you.